Good morning to everyone. They take attendance. Who are taking attendance? Fast take. You can take attendance. After completion of your attendance, let me know that one. You have to do your job. Start that one. Take it. I think you are maintaining properly. I'm expecting that one. Name, date here. Just write date. You don't want to write month, everything, sir. Just write 18, 19. Top, you can write 1 month, date and perfectly. 20 like that. They present or absent, you can take. Now don't tick, just keep the dot if they are present. End of the class, you can tick that is perfectly. Up to that, don't tick that person. They're leaving in between. Not starting attendance required. Starting plus ending, both are going to be take that one. Okay, just keep the dot. Second person is present, keep dot. Last, if whenever you are looking last 5 minutes is not there, means you can keep absent. Okay. If absent, then only you can send to me or you can use that coordinator. But I need that report 100%. Okay. If no absent means you can keep with you only. Yes, we can take whatever screenshot you can take, but keep in note that is one paper only. Or one paper will get more than 1 month. If you spend 5 minutes time, very easy that is. Take screenshot, then later you can give the tick mark. Just simply that is present or absent. That's one. The next step we are going to be check class notes, which is a format I'm expecting you done or not. There is a next step. We are going to do that one. So how to do? I will give that one. This is the first step. Everyone, you should be get first attendance. Got it? Take attendance, everyone. Once completed, just send me, sir, completed like that, then I can start class. First 5 minutes, that's only work. Completed. Are remaining people not sending? How many schools? I think it's approximately 3 to 4 schools. No, only one school VRMS I got it. SMS they completed. What about you, sir? 6 minutes. Try, take it, screenshot, whatever you can take it, then you can check that. Is no issue, that is fine. Good. 2 schools completed, very good. Yes, you can take screenshot, just you can check it, this present or not, that's only, nothing. Your school students present or not, you can take starting screenshot or whatever, just you can check and leave it. And end of the class also you can check it, how many present or not. I'm looking that continuously, how many people they are leaving and coming also, I'm looking that one. So when they are leaving, then I will ask you that one, you can check it all students immediately, little bit fast, then you can note down that person name. I think so. Shall we start our class? Please note down thermodynamic aspects in electrochemistry. That's the next heading, sir. Please note down this is which you are appearing on the screen. Please note down that is everyone. Okay, Nivash Kumar, out of 14, 19, out of 19, 14%. Very good, very good. Keep in mind that 5 people who are absent, you can see end of that class they are joining again. That 5 people who are missing, please keep in mind. Okay, fine. Good. So please note down this is thermodynamic aspects in electrochemistry. Okay, please note down thermodynamic aspects of work done by the cell. This is at normal case charge into potential. Charge is a NF and potential nothing but T cell. Case of standard conditions, E naught cell you have to take. This is a work done by the cell. Work done by the cell. You make an assume maximum work done by the cell. Okay. Maximum work done by the cell. Write standard conditions. So either work done by the cell or maximum work done by the cell, both are same. But the standard conditions, this is normal conditions. Means at any concentration other than standard conditions means you should be know that one. Pressure equal to 1 bar, temperature 298 kelvins like this, and concentration is 1 m like that. These are the standard conditions. At the time we are calculating E naught cell is standard. If concentration is not 1 m, the changing concentration, that's we call D cell. Yes. Gibbs free energy decreases nothing but work done only. Work done and Gibbs free energy change both are same. Gibbs free energy change also nothing but work done only. Same formula and same. That is thermodynamics. This is we are giving in terms of thermodynamics and electrochemistry. Both are correct. Got it? Good morning, good morning. Yes, yes, everywhere you need to apply spontaneous and non-spontaneous, everywhere. Okay. So now we can see next siding Nernst equation. Please write it. Nernst equation. Nernst equation. Nernst. You can open your NCERT book, sir. Open your NCERT book. You can open your NCERT book. So what is the role of Nernst equation? We are going to discuss here. E cell we calculated at different concentrations, sir. Standard condition we done. E cell value. That's we arranged as previously. This is the galvanic cell. Anode and cathode. Everything is there. Is correct. This is the thing. Solid bridge. Like this. So this we measure both 1m 1m concentrations. Both we measured 1m 1m concentration. Understood? But here I am going to take different concentrations, sir. I am going to take here 10m concentration, here 2m concentration. Then I am going to be calculate E cell value. So different concentrations. And temperature also, maybe I can change little bit temperature. Then how that changing E cell value? That's given by Nernst. Okay. We done previously only standard conditions, that is the inert cell value. If other than standard conditions, we are going to be calculate E cell value. Clear? Different concentrations at equilibrium what happened. Okay, and everything I am going to be calculated here step by step. So this equation, spelling you can check it, sir. Everything THEISR wait. These equation you can whatever, sir. Right. This equation, the relationship. This equation explains the relationship between electrode potentials, equilibrium reaction potential, comma activity, and absolute temperature. This equation given relationship between electrode potential, equilibrium reduction potential, activity, and absolute temperature. They given. Just note down one sentence. Absolute temperature means temperature, I think so, in Kelvin. I hope you know everyone that is temperature in Kelvin. Equilibrium reduction potential means at equilibrium, E cell value are going to be calculated. So general electrode potential at different concentration other than equilibrium. So please write first that point. Sentence we can note down. Done. Next, write one hypothetical equation. This is the equilibrium existing. One hypothetical equation, equilibrium existing like this. Alright, next everyone you can note down notes, sir. I'm going to be check that your next step is your class notes only. Date wise, I'm going to be asked you that one. Date wise, you should be write notes properly. Class date you can write first. Every day class date you can write. And I'm going to be expect practice notes where you practice all class notes theory, which is same thing you noted down. You have to practice without seeing that is. And second one, 10 to 15 sums per day. Okay, this is 10 to 15 sums per day you have to practice. This I'm going to be asked to everyone. So this I'm going to be expecting that soon I'm going to be expecting within 2 days. So equilibrium constant expression QC equal to reaction quotient. You can write, sir, QC equal to reaction quotient Actually, I'm writing here. You may can check it in terms of activity. Activity, nothing but concentration only, sir. Nothing here. Activity, nothing but concentration only. You may can write QA in terms of activity. Activity, nothing but concentration. A C power C. A D power D. This is the representation equilibrium constant. 11th standard, you may done, maybe forgot, or your teachers mostly given. Leave that one. I'm not talking about your teachers. This is B. Okay. Or you can write in terms of A equal to activity. This is thermodynamic representation, sir. Activity means thermodynamic representation. For dilute solutions and dilute cases, you may can take activity equal to molarity. Activity equal to molarity, sir. Okay. For dilute cases and ideal cases. So you can write here C power C concentration, D power D product concentration by reactant concentration you have to write, sir. This is at any concentration, at any time, sir, at any time, at any time, any concentration. At equilibrium, QC equal to KC. KC nothing but equilibrium constant, sir. Equilibrium constant. Then same you can write at equilibrium KC equal to QC or QC equal to KC. Right, 2020 they given, 19 they given equilibrium constant expression based questions. Okay. Okay, this is JE they given, NEET also they given this type of questions. If you see that from previous NEET questions, you can get it all these things. Once noted down, let me know that one. If any doubts, you can ask. Okay, one student left, I can see that one after some times. Okay, you can write Q equal to reaction quotient. Q equal to reaction quotient. Reaction quotient and equilibrium constant have relation. I will explain that is. Just how to write expression you can note down this is, because we are going to be start, that is mean that we are debating concept. Q equal to reaction quotient. Okay, all these are A, not Q, sir. Activity symbol is A, sir. A. All these are small a, sir. Don't leave, but don't write different symbols. Please note down. Activity symbol is A, sir. This is A. A. This is C and this is power C. Okay. A. This is D. Down I am writing subscript and this is superscript power. This is A, sir, not Q. Please note down. This is A, sir. A power A and A. This is same thing. A power B, small b, and this is capital B. Subscript and superscript. All these are A, not Q. A means activity in terms of activity. Here I mentioned that word activity. Please check it. Activity, nothing but you can write, sir. Activity symbol is A. Nothing but for dilute solutions and ideal cases molarity. Generally, this is coefficient is there. Activity coefficient is 1 for dilute solutions and concentrated. This is 1, sir. For ideal case is 1. That's why I'm taking A equal to M. This is for ideal case. These things, thermodynamics is there as well as equilibrium both. The term you can leave it. Just keep in mind molarity. In your level, you have only molarity. Wherever concentration is there, just keep in mind molarity. Clear? Just molarity. Everything you can keep square brackets are here. Square bracket indicate concentration. Square bracket indicate concentration. That to that molarity. Concentration. That is nothing but molarity, sir. Capital M. Clear? Next, we need to. Our target is derivation of Nernst equation. I am deriving. All the textbooks they are given directly. We are trying to derive that one. Clear? Right. Delta G equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. This is the standard equation from thermodynamics I am taking here. This is a standard equation. This is the standard equation from thermodynamics I am taking here. So delta G equal to delta G naught RT ln QC. Please check it. Are you able to see screen or not? Now we can see delta G equal to NF E cell. You can write. You know that very well. Delta G naught means NF E naught cell RT ln QC. That is common. This is standard equation I am taking from thermodynamics. Delta G equal to, you can write NF E cell minus NF E naught cell RT ln QC. So now I am dividing both sides are reactant, so left and right minus NF. I am dividing both sides. I'm not getting why minus sign. Alright, delta G equal to NF E cell only, no? Delta G equal to minus NF E cell. This is spontaneous process. Okay, I need to get delta G always negative. Work done by the system I given, work done by the cell. The term you done here, work done by the cell means cell losing energy, work done by the cell, which is losing energy, you have to write negative sign, sir. That is the reason I am giving here. Okay, delta G is delta G negative, which indicate work done by the cell. That's why minus here. You are losing energy, you are losing means minus you have to take. You are gaining energy means you can take positive. That's when an exothermic delta H is negative. You know that point now? Delta H is negative. Endothermic delta H is positive. Why? That is standard representations. That is. So we can't take both different signs. One sign we have to take. We have to assume one proper format. That's where proceeding that is. Okay, fine. See, next step, are you able to understand or not? Check it. So I'm dividing with NF both sides, sir. Please look into that one. So minus NF will be cancelled. Here also minus NF will be cancelled. Is it correct? So E cell equal to E naught cell minus RT. Okay. Minus RT, sir. Because plus and minus will get minus only. This is in terms of LNQ. Okay, if you are writing in terms of log value, if you are removing ln, I can write 2.03 into log base 10, sir. You can substitute. Please write. Any doubt? Please check it up to this. Or you can ask whatever you have doubts. I think you got it up to this. Or I can give direct equation, but we can go through everyone. Huh? Next here, which is the constant, sir? Which is variable, which is constant? I am going to be see that one. Here at particular temperature, 2.303 F and RT, everything is going to be constant. Okay. Only n value will be changed. N equal to number of electrons, sir. Number of electrons, which is participating in the reaction. E naught cell, you know that one. QC is the reaction quotient. Reaction quotient. How to apply that is product by reactant. Already know that one. QC is how to express product by reactant. Product by reactant. Okay. So at 298 Kelvin, temperature 298 Kelvin, you can substitute. R value you can substitute in joules. Then all these things you can multiply 2.03 R into T and F equal to 96500. Then you will get at 298 Kelvin, temperature too much important, and 0.059. So that RT by, please note down these two steps first. Note down this is, everyone in this reaction you have to remember equation. Please remember right now only. I don't want any reason. Only 2 lines. Everyone you can remember. We are good IQ people. Everyone have IQ. Please remember. E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059. I am substituting in this place, sir. 2.303 RT by F. That is the value is 0.059 and N is there, N only. Log base 10 QC. Remember this equation as it is. Once remember, let me know that one completed. అరే 2 రాళ్ళు తెచ్చి పెట్టుకోవాలి, నువ్వు ఏం చేయలేదు మరి. 2 రాళ్ళు తెచ్చి పెట్టు, మళ్ళీ తీసేద్దాం కావాలంటే. పోలేదా? 2 రాళ్ళు పెడితే కనీసం దూరంగా పోతాయి అంతే. డిస్టర్బ్ అంటే అరుస్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా పిల్లలు, ఏదో మన మీద భయంతో చెప్పరు. బట్ అంటారు కదా, కొద్దిగా కామన్ సెన్స్ మనకి కూడా. Yes, this is at 298 Kelvin only, 0.059. If you are taking different temperatures, different values are provided, sir. At 0 degrees centigrade, 0.054 in place of 0.059 you have to write. At 293 Kelvin, 0.058. At 303 Kelvin, 0.060. At 298, 0.059. So these are the values that depends upon temperature you need to provide. Things you understood very clearly. So temperature change, that value will be changed. When the question they mention, instead of 0.059, 0.06, they will mention most of the times. They won't take any other values. Anyway, especially your NEET people, they won't teach with respect to numerical values. Direct formula based they will give. Just you need to substitute to get answer. Even calculation based questions also they won't ask you, sir. Very direct questions you will get. Direct questions. Please note down, everyone notes properly. Chemistry notes should be separate. That should be separate. You should not say all mixing all in one. I'm going to be asking you very soon, that is very soon. All your notes you have to send through scanned copy. I'm going to ask you day 1, which is I started solutions. So be ready that one. Very soon I'm going to be asking, most I'm expecting Friday, that is. So you have to send Friday morning, that should be your all people which I am asking, those people you have to send notes, that is. A scanned copy I should have that one. I'm going to be evaluate that one. How we are writing, what is the way we are writing, copying or not, everything, sir. Date wise. That should be contained, followed by rough papers or rough notes, which is 10. We are writing theory plus followed by 10 sums. This should be there for chemistry. If you are not working, we can't get, sir. Don't tell reason, sir. That reasons is over. Sir, online classes I'm not listening, I'm not understanding. Online classes I'm getting headache. Okay, please remove that one. Whole overall India student they are taking online. If anyone you are telling online classes headache means, I make and believe that is mostly 5 to 6% only. You are not playing mobile games, sir. 2 to 3 hours you are playing, then you are not getting any headache. So things will happen. But now actually worldwide changing everything. So you have to change, because now we are going to write exam. India wise all students are listening online classes only. At least 60% people are listening online classes. 40% people there is no availability to listen online classes. But these are also competitors for you for NEET exam. But who are listening people also competitors. But actually thing is here, at least 20% people they will lose, sir. I am not getting interest, so I didn't understand online classes like that. At least your competition is 40%. If you are concentrating right now 100%, so your competition is now 40% only. So very easy to get NEET rank. Next coming exam, to get NEET rank very easy for you people who are concentrating. 40% people in India wise there is no availability, and there is no like that all the people they are not joining. But this 45%, some very good students is there, just they are buying books, they are studying, sir. That is different. For them you can't beat anyway. Okay. So remaining at least is there 60% people listening online classes, that fit GL and all these different students. In that too, more than 20% students they are telling too many reasons. They are joining class, starting the class, and they are leaving end of the class. Means that's they are leaving in between. I'm not getting, I'm not interested. They want to play mobile games, different things. Even this 20% also will lost. Hardly we are going to get competition with 40% people. If you concentrate right now these classes, very easy for you. Suppose regular classes you are expecting rank, just rank, but due to this COVID-19, you are replacing, that is maybe you'll get top 1000 rank also, even below also. Clear? So that is a chance for you people who are concentrating. Take seriously this is. You have to make it advantage. Clear? So got it? Let them reduce at least. We are studying everything, na? Mostly we are studying. So even the reducing also doesn't matter. We'll get top rank. At least they will give few questions out of syllabus. That syllabus is already we covered everything up to higher level. So easy for us to get top rank. All right, next point. Oxidation potential, sir. Oxidation. Right here, sir. Oxidation. Write it. Oxidation. So metal solid state, it lose electrons, it become metal aqueous, n electrons they lost. This is the oxidation. So loss of electrons is oxidation or addiction? Oxidation. So equilibrium constant, how to write? Assume that when it exists as equilibrium, product by reactant, you have to write, sir. For number of electrons, we don't want right, sir. Electrons we don't want consider, which is ions, and elements we can consider. So product is, this is ion, Mn plus aqueous state, AQ means aqueous state, sir, by metal solid. For solids, activity is 1, sir. For solids, activity equal to 1. Please keep in mind that is. So I can write in place of M solid is 1. So finally Q equal to Mn plus. Mn plus. Mn plus. Fine. Now we are applying Nernst equation, sir. Now we are applying Nernst equation. Right, E cell equal to E naught oxidation, sorry, E naught cell minus 0.059 by N. In place of QC, what can I write? QC equal to Mn plus only I can write. In place of QC, what we can write, sir? Mn plus. Array, you can see original equation. That's why I told you how to remember this equation first. Remember everyone this equation first. Then I'm using this equation, sir. This is common. E cell equal to E naught cell 0.059 by N is common. Log QC. QC equal to whatever expression you are writing, you have to write. QC equal to, I got it, Mn plus. That's why I substitute Mn plus. Now this is the graph like y equal to mx plus c, sir. This is the y, this is c intercept, this is m, this is x. I'm drawing graph E cell versus log Mn plus. Here slope is negative, that's why I'm writing slope equal to minus 0.059 by N. And E naught cell is the intercept. I wrote intercept. This is the graph we are getting, sir. Please note down this is. Please ask your doubts which you are not understanding. Pure liquids you can take one, sir. Pure liquids. Aqueous state you should not take. If they mention pure liquid state, then you can take one. Please note on that graph. Gases we are going to take pressure. That's also we'll discuss in soon. Now only started, na? Alright, that's supposed to be equilibrium. Huh? Anyway, fine. Equilibrium is pressure. You have to take gases. Huh? Pressure. Yeah, pure gases or ideal gas they mention means you can take ideal gas is 1. Nothing is wrong. Once completed, let me know that one. And this graph y equal to mx plus c. Suppose we are writing same oxidation E cell, E naught cell minus in terms of 2.03 RT by NF log Mn plus. If you write shortcut, that is the shortcut value is 0.059. If I am taking directly value in terms of temperature, so you make and write graph y equal to mx plus c, slope equal to 2.03 RT by NF, but minus sign is the slope value. That value only we are writing as 0.059. At what temperature? 298 Kelvin. Keep in mind. At 298 Kelvin, we are writing all these things. So can you say what by increasing temperature, what about E cell value increases or decreases for oxidation? This oxidation, sir. This is oxidation. Okay. This is for oxidation process. For oxidation process, by increasing temperature, this is the temperature value. E cell decreases or increases. Look into equation. Everything. Okay. At particular concentration is there. Everything is common, sir. at particular temperature, by increasing temperature, E cell value decreases or increases. Okay. Like Ganesh, I wrote everything here. You can check it, sir. By increasing temperature, E cell oxidation decreases, not increasing. This is the temperature, sir. I am increasing temperature means this whole value is negative value. This negative value increases means E naught cell minus negative value. So this whole term negative value increases, therefore E cell oxidation decreases or increases. We are subtracting, sir, value, subtracting. So by increasing temperature, E cell oxidation decreases. Please note down that point. E cell oxidation decreases. Please note down. I think you understood this point. I'm expecting. Got it? This is for oxidation, sir. Next, write for reduction. Everything you have to write for reduction, sir. This reduction, write Nernst equation and substitute and get it answer. Nernst equation for reduction process. You can write reduction. Write it reduction. Write it reduction process. Write it here. Q value first you can write. QC equal to product by reactant. This is M solid by Mn plus aqueous state. So wherever solid is there, you can take one, sir. That is 1 by Mn plus aqueous state. This is, you can write. Now substitute in this equation. E cell equal to, this is reduction process. Keep in mind, we are writing under reduction. E naught cell minus 0.059 by N log of, in place of QC, sir, log QC equal to what you can write? 1 by Mn plus. So you may can write, this is, if you are writing above 1, you will get minus of minus positive, sir, here. E cell equal to E naught cell plus log of Mn plus, wait, into these, that's wait 1 minute. Zero 0.059 by N log of Mn plus. Because it is 1 by Mn plus, right, that will get inverse. Inverse means minus of minus plus you will get. So I can write here in terms of temperature also, E cell equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log of 1 by Mn plus. Here you may can try now graph, sir. All are y equal to mx plus c only. If you are writing this y c m x, E cell equal to, this is the graph, sir. Intercept is E naught cell. Slope already know that one. Slope equal to, first one negative, sir, positive 0.059 by n. Or in terms of your writing, this also you can reverse this one. E cell equal to E naught cell plus 2.303 RT by NF log of Mn plus. Clear? So this is positive character. So what is the slope here? Y equal to C mx. M is the slope. You make and write slope here. This is log Mn plus concentration, sir. Sorry, Mn plus, that is. Not manganese, metal, that is, simply. So slope you make and write here 2.303 into RT by NF. You can write. So by increasing temperature here, E cell for reduction increases, sir, because this is positive sign. We are adding. So you can write by increasing temperature, E cell reduction value increases. Please write it. Any doubt you may can ask? Got it? Increasing temperature, E cell reduction potential increases. That's the simple thing. Now I am going to do one by one, sir. If completed, let me know that one. If completed, let me know that one. If you are not understanding, you can ask through chat box, doesn't matter. Now suppose I am giving, sir, galvanic cell. You can take galvanic cell. Okay. Zn2 plus, Cu2 plus. As this representation, already you know very well this is terminals is solids. This is concentration, sir. I am giving here. You can take here concentration 1. This is concentration 2. Okay. Can you write at anode reaction, cathode reaction? Please write it. Anode reaction, cathode reaction. Write it. Anode reaction, cathode reaction. Write on your notes. Which is anode, which is cathode. A galvanic cell is an electrochemical cell. It can produce energy. That energy we are converted into electricity. That is the galvanic cell or electrochemical cell. Electrolytic cell means we are supplying electricity, then chemical reaction takes place. Which is electrolytic cells are non-spontaneous reactions occurs in that cells. Electrochemical cells, spontaneous reactions occurs, then produce energy. That energy we are converting into E cell. Are you getting my point? Galvanic cell or electrochemical cell. Chemical reaction takes place, energy produced, that energy converted into electricity. but here opposite occur. We need to provide electricity. So right here, anode reaction, cathode reaction. Which is anode? This is anode. This is cathode. Which is left side, sir? That is anode generally. This is cathode. Right? Reaction at cathode and anode. At anode. What is the anode reaction, sir? Oxidation. So metal is solid state, which you are getting ion concentration, sir, is aqueous C1 concentration. So this anode, sir, C1 is anode concentration. At cathode, reduction occurs. Cu2 plus 2 electrons. Add both. Net reaction required, sir. Net reaction. Can you write net reaction? Please write it. Net reaction should not contain electrons. You know that very well. Free electron to electron will be cancelled. Then finally, Zn solid plus this is Cu2, sir, concentration. Cu2 plus C2 Zn2 plus C1 plus Cu solid. Now check it, sir. This is the net equation. For net equation, we need to apply the Nernst equation. You can write E cell equal to E naught cell minus, suppose I am asking at 298 Kelvin, assume that one, 298 Kelvin. 0.059 by how many electrons they transferred, sir, here? 2 electrons total. 2 log of, how to write QC value for this equation? Product by reactant. QC value for this equation, product by reactant. Can you write? Array, concentrate everyone. First equation you are applying. QC equal to product by reactant. What is the product here, sir? Zn2 plus. Array, this is Cu solid. One you have to take. So I can keep into one only. By reactant is Cu2 plus. Zinc is, sir, solid again into 1. So what will get finally? QC equal to Zn2 plus by Cu2 plus. So I'm substituting here QC value. Okay. In place of QC, you can substitute, sir. E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by 2 log of Zn2 plus by Cu2 plus. What is the Zn2 plus, anode or cathode, sir? This is anode concentration. Zn2 plus is anode concentration. This is cathode. Understood? So E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N. General equation I am giving, sir. Concentration of anode by concentration of cathode. So this is a general equation for any reaction. So I need to get E cell is positive, sir. E cell equal to positive mean that is spontaneous reaction. So E cell is negative means please write it, non-spontaneous. So I need to get E cell is positive. How to get E cell is positive? Anode concentration should be less or more, sir. You can check it here. What about ratio? This one, which is you have to get. Ratio should be very less. If ratio is very less means I will can remove here very less value. If ratio is more means I have to remove more. So E cell is positive means anode concentration should be less or more. Less compared to cathode concentration. Please think that word. Then I need more E cell value. Small mathematics this is. If anode concentration is less, cathode is more means then I can get this ratio is very less than this less negative value. So please note down that point. For spontaneous process, which is more concentration? Anode concentration should be less or more, sir? Less. And cathode concentration is more. Please note down the statement. So you can try it one problem. You know that one E naught value, sir. Very clearly you know that one. E naught of zinc value minus 0.76 volt. E naught of copper value 0.34 volt. Calculate the E cell value for this one. Calculate the E cell value at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the E cell value at 298 Kelvin. So just substitution in the above formula, sir. Which is anode, which is cathode, you know that one very well. So that formula is, I think so you remembered. Try it. E cell equal to, or E naught cell. How to calculate, sir? E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode, sir. So cathode is, which is the cathode here, 0.34. Anode is 0.76 minus, I think so 1.1 volt you will get. Now substitute here. E naught cell is 1.1 volt minus 0.059. How many electrons they are transferred for zinc? 2, sir. 2 electrons. Log of anode concentration how much here? 10 power minus 4. Cathode concentration how much? 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 4 by 10 power minus 2. Can you calculate? E cell equal to 1.1 in minus 0.059. This will come, sir. It will cancel. 10 power minus 2 will be there. That minus 2 will come, minus half minus plus into 2 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Then E cell equal to 1.1 plus 0.059. So solve. This is your answer. Then try some problems based on non-static equation. Read and come first from your NCERT book and try some other books, at least 5 to 10 questions. Okay. Try it. Take break. If any queries you have, can ask that one right now. Yes, 1 point. Okay, very good. 1.16 volt they given, sir. So I think so. You understood. Tomorrow we'll discuss more number of problems. Sorry, don't worry that one. But try yourself. You got it, na theory. At least 2 people, some people you can try. If you are not getting, don't worry. Tomorrow we'll discuss more questions. Read first class notes today. Take break. Take. Thank you. Thank you very much. ఏందమ్మా వాడు ఫోన్ చేస్తుండే ఏంది ఎందుకు రాలేదని చెప్పి ఏం చెప్పాలి ఇప్పుడు నెల్లూరోడు అదే మరి నువ్వు చెప్పేదాన్ని బట్టి మళ్ళీ ఎవరే జాబ్ పోగొట్టినారా అది అని కూడా నన్ను